Welcome to JH. The little white bear AI plush toy. Sounds like the ultimate cuddle buddy, right? They claim it's designed to feel like a real hug, featuring AI that senses your presence and responds with gentle movements. Because apparently, we've reached a point in human history where we need a motherboard and a battery pack to feel loved. But is it actually as revolutionary as it sounds? Or is it just a glorified pillow? Let's break down the red flags. First up, let's talk about those happy customers. The website boasts over 1,600 glowing reviews, but when you step outside their curated bubble, the internet has found exactly one. That single honest soul described it as a basic bean toy with absolutely no motion at all. It seems those 1,600 testimonials are about as real as my chances of winning the lottery. Then we have the buzzwords. They call it the world's cutest plush toy with AI motion and claim it's backed by science. It sounds incredibly fancy, but there is zero evidence or data provided to back any of it up. It's just marketing fluff designed to make a bag of polyester sound like a NASA project. If science means we hope you don't ask questions, then sure, it's highly scientific. Red flag number 3 involves the celebrity endorsements. The site shows big names praising the bear, but a little digging reveals these celebrities have never actually mentioned the product. The footage looks heavily edited or even AI-generated just to trick you into trusting them. It's a bold move to use fake famous people to sell a fake smart toy, but here we are. The promotion strategy is another massive warning sign. This bear is being pushed aggressively through affiliate marketing, meaning promoters are motivated by commissions, not quality. Their only goal is to close the sale, not to ensure you're actually comforted. Finally, look at the visuals. Every image and video looks like it was birthed by an AI prompt rather than a real camera. When a company is too shy to show their actual product in a real room, you should probably be worried. So, is the little white bear AI plush toy legit? Between the ghost reviews, imaginary celebrity fans, and AI-generated demos, it looks less like a breakthrough and more like a total gimmick. There is no proof this toy even exists in the form they're selling. If you value your money, think twice before clicking buy, because this bear's only real AI feature is its ability to make your cash disappear. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews.